So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign up for an account, show you how easy it is to sign up for an account, show that your kids haven't been asked for a specific date of birth or anything. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna sign up so I can delete it. But I'm just gonna show you how easy it is for specifically kids to sign up for Instagram. So I'm just gonna sign up with an email. So whatever email they've got. If they're doing it on the phone, it's even easier. Paul Delete. I might not like me calling myself Paul Delete. Paul. Probably give me Paul. Oh, there you go. Paul Delete's available. Happy Meat Paul. That is an old Instagram that I had. Password. Enter a password. Da-da-da. Oh, here you go. Are you? Oh my God. These kids are never gonna get past this question, are they? I'm older than 18. Well, that's great. Instagram, thanks for really verifying it. And I'm in, right? It's going to ask me to follow somebody to follow on, so you get all these idiots that you can follow. No offense to these idiots, but Nat Geo, let's follow them. You've got to follow one, then you can skip, right? Get started. Then you're in, and you can go to your account, right? And you've set up your account. You have got a verification email. There we go. Instagram, confirm your email. So I'm going to have to confirm it, and now I am fully in with my Paul Delete account.